Hey yo, it's Crypto Oracle here, and today I'm going to explain to you and show you and demonstrate how to set a stop loss or a stop limit order on Binance, which is something that can be very useful. I've already shown you guys how to do it in my past video on Bittrex, but I want to show you guys how to do it on Binance, and so many more people are using Binance these days, and it's becoming such a huge exchange. If you'd like to sign up to Binance and you want a safe invite link, go ahead, click the link in the description and click my invite link, and you'll be able to sign up for Binance free of charge and be able to get those fees at half off and everything. And you can also sign up for their referral program, so you can invite your friends and then they can invite their friends and you guys can all earn off of each other's trades. So let's go ahead and get right into it, keep this short. So here we have your general setup. All you do is you go to the top and you click basic, and this screen will pop up. And here we have, as an example, TRX to Bitcoin pair, just because I've got a little bit of TRX from commissions here. So let's go ahead and click on the stop limit. You can see there's limit, market, and stop limit. What I'm showing you is the stop limit, and you can see here the fee is, half off, since I have some BNB or Binance coin in my account. So I'm going to show you the buy stop limit first, then I'll show you the sell stop limit. So you just click on the first one or one of these and it'll fill it up. So it's 284 right now. Okay, so a buy where you set it up, let's say you want to buy some as soon as it goes over 300. All right, so you can set your stop at 300 and that'll execute the trade as soon as it goes above 300 since it's a buy. And then all you have to do is set your limit to, let's say 310. You want to buy it for 310, and the amount, let's say you want to buy 1,000 of them. So you want to buy 1,000 TRX as soon as the price goes above 300 and you want to buy them for 310. All right, and so all you got to do is click buy, and it'll give you a little confirmation that it explains everything. This is very good because it confirms exactly what you want to do, because this can get a little bit confusing. It says if the last price rises to or above 300, in order to buy 1,000 TRX at a price of 310 will be placed, and then you just click yes and it succeed. Now I'm just going to cancel that real quick because I don't actually want to do that. And then I'm going to show you how to do the sell. Okay, so now a sell is pretty similar, except let's say you want to, as soon as it goes below, this would be a stop loss, as soon as it goes below 250, let's say you want to execute an order at 240 sats, or whatever that fraction is, at 240 basically. And you want to sell the 500 that you have. Sorry, I only have 938 right now, so I can't do a full 1,000. So you'd say if the last price drops to or below 250, in order to sell 500 TRX would execute at a price of 240. So that order that you're setting at 240, it would go through, most likely. Because if the price is falling and it slowly falls and it goes down and it hits 250, and you set an order, you execute an order to sell it at 240, there's most likely going to be orders at 240, and it's most likely going to go through. But you can set that a little bit lower if you think the price is going to fall really fast. It's really going to knife down, and then all you do is click yes. And you can be a little bit flexible with your prices or your stops and your limits. So if you think you only want to sell it once it goes down to 200, maybe you want a really loose stop loss, then you can set it at 200. Say only if it falls ridiculously to 200, then I will sell it for 190 or 175 or something. But that's pretty radical, so I wouldn't recommend. I recommend setting pretty tight stop losses, just because I find it's most beneficiary. So that's how you do it, guys. If you want a little bit more detail, all you have to do is click on this little question mark and it will take you to the page. You just click view more, and it's kind of a text explanation, and it shows you how to do everything, and you can always ask for help within submit a request if you really need some clarification, or just send me a DM on Twitter at Oracle of Crypto on Twitter, and I should be able to explain things. So thank you guys for watching. Here's all the stuff. If you'd like to subscribe, click below. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter, go to @OracleOfCrypto on Twitter. If you'd like to join our paid trading group where there's live calls of trades and everything, where you can make some good money, go to the blockchain education link, which is right here, or there's also the link in the top of the description. If you would like to join the free Slack, the completely free trading Slack, go to this tweet right here, and you just click join.slack.com T blah blah blah, just click this link. It's on my Twitter, and you can join the free Slack and have some good discussion with people. So again, thank you guys for watching. Check out all the links in the description. This has been the Crypto Oracle. Hopefully you learned something good today and you'll become a better trader. Thanks again for watching.